What if I told you that $100 could grow into a small fortune? Yep, just one crisp $100 bill. Stick around as we explore 7 exciting ways to make that $100 work for you and multiply it over time. Spoiler alert, the numbers might blow your mind. Hey there, money enthusiasts. Welcome back to Insight Investment 365, your go-to guide for mastering the world of investing. Today, we're diving into a super relatable topic. What can you actually do with $100? Whether you're a total beginner or looking for fresh ideas, I've got you covered. From low risk to high reward options, we'll break it down step by step. Oh, and don't miss the bonus tip at the end. It's a game changer for long-term wealth. Let's start with the golden rule of investing compound interest. Albert Einstein called it the 8th wonder of the world, and here's why. Imagine you invest $100 in an account earning a modest 7% annual return, like an index fund. In 10 years, your $100 would grow to $197. But wait, leave it for 30 years, and you're looking at $761. Just let time and interest do the heavy lifting. Ever thought about stocks? If you invest $100 in the stock market, historically, the average return is around 10% per year. That means your $100 could grow to $1,745 in 30 years. And guess what? With apps like Robinhood and eToro, starting with $100 is easier than ever. Diversify, invest consistently, and watch the magic happen. Feeling adventurous? Cryptocurrency might be your jam. Imagine you had invested $100 in Bitcoin back in 2013. It would be worth millions today. But fair warning, crypto is as risky as it is exciting. If you're considering it, focus on established coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and only invest what you're willing to lose. Think real estate is out of reach with just $100? Think again. Platforms like Fundrise let you invest in real estate projects with small amounts. While it won't make you rich overnight, it's a solid way to earn passive income and diversify your portfolio. Plus, who doesn't love the idea of owning a slice of a skyscraper? Now, if you prefer playing it safe, a high-interest savings account or certificate of deposit, also known as a CD, could be the way to go. With interest rates climbing, you could earn a guaranteed return without any market risks. It won't turn $100 into $10,000, but it's a reliable option for beginners or emergency funds. Sometimes the best investment is you. Use that $100 to buy a course, a book, or tools to develop a new skill. Whether it's coding, graphic design, or investing itself, the knowledge you gain can yield unlimited returns. Think of it as planting seeds for your financial future. If you're looking for an easy, low-cost way to diversify, ETFs and mutual funds are fantastic. They pool your money with other investors to buy a mix of stocks or bonds. Put your $100 in an S&P 500 ETF, and you're essentially investing in America's top 500 companies. Talk about bang for your buck. Before we wrap up, here's the bonus tip I promised. Automate your investments. Apps like Acorns or Wealthfront can round up your spare change and invest it. It's like saving and growing money without even thinking about it. The sooner you start, the more you'll thank yourself later. And there you have it. 7 awesome ways to grow $100 into so much more. Remember, it's not about where you start, it's about starting in the first place. Which strategy are you going to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips to level up your financial game. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.